Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about AWS Route 53. What is AWS Route 53 and how does it work and what is the benefit and how to create a domain in Route 53. So if you are new in our channel, so please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get update first. So let's start. What is today's agenda? What is Route 53? How does Route 53 work? What is benefit of Route 53? AWS routing policy, how many record managed by Route 53, how to create host record in Route 53. What is Route 53? Amazon Route 53 is a DNS service provided by AWS and is one of the most well-known, reliable and cost-effective service for managing and domains. Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable domain name system DNS web service. It is designed for developers and corporates to route the end user to internet application by translating human readable names like www.mydomain.com into the numeric IP address like 192.0.2.1 that computer use to connect to each other. Basically, what is the Route 53? Route 53 is just like a domain name. You can host your domain there on the AWS and create a multiple record of DNS such as a record, PTR record, name server record, MX record. So these kinds of record can be created in Route 53. So it manages all the domain naming server. How does Route 53 work? Suppose a user type www.abc.com. Then it's go on the DNS resolver such as a GoDaddy and you can say the HostGator. These kinds are the DNS resolver. And then let me ask the authority. They will send to Route 53 and then they convert IP to DNS resolver and then DNS resolver resolve your query in the name of your www.abc.com. What is the benefit of Route 53? Easy to register your domain. We can purchase all level of domain like .com, .net, .org, etc. directly from Route 53. Highly available and reliable. Route 53 is a built using AWS infrastructure. Its distributed nature towards DNS server help to ensure a consistent ability to route application of end user. Scalable. Route 53 is designed in such a way that it automatically handles large volume query without the user interaction. Designed to integrate with other AWS services. Route 53 also work with other AWS services. It can be used to map domain name to our Amazon EC2 instance, Amazon S3 buckets, Amazon and other AWS resources. Easy to use. It is easy to sign up, easy to configure DNS setting and provide quick response to DNS queries. Health checkup. Route 53 monitors the health of the application. If an outage is detected, then it automatically redirects the user to a healthy resources. Cost effective. Pay only for the domain service and the number of queries that the service answer for each domain. Secure. By integrating Route 53 with AWS IAM, there is a complete control over every user within the AWS account, such as deciding which user can access which part of Route 53. AWS routing policy. There are several types of routing policy. The below list provide the routing policy which are used by AWS Route 53 mostly. So first is simple routing, second is latency based routing, third is geolocation routing. What is simple based routing? Simple routing respond to DNS query based only on the value in AWS route table. Use the simple routing policy when you have a single resource that perform a given function for your domain. Suppose www.com that can be go in Route 53 and it will be directly attached with your EC2 instance. So when you type the www whatever your name, so that will go directly to your EC2 instance. So in that case, you will use the simple routing. Second, in latency based routing, if an application is hosted on EC2 instance in multiple regions, user latency can be reduced by serving requests from the region where the network latency is lowest. Create a latency resource record set for the Amazon EC2 resource in each region that the host of the application. The latency will sometimes change when there are changes in the routes. Suppose you have a two instance which is created to different location. Suppose one is created in Mumbai and second is Virginia, and there is a latency. Suppose you are a user sit in the Canada and they will want to connect the your website, so they will type www.example.com, so they will check that have a low latency. So after the low latency they will send packet to low latency site, so you will get resolve your query within the fast. So it will work as a latency based routing. Geolocation routing. Geolocation routing can be used to send traffic to resource based on the geographic location of users. Example, all query from Canada can be routed to IP address 10.20.30.40. Relocation work by mapping IP address irrespective of region to the location. Suppose if you are sit in the Japan, that is the nearest to your region, US East 1, US East first A. So all the Japan traffic will go in the Route 53 and they will send to your all traffic to your nearest region, US East 1A. So all the traffic will go from 10.50.25.10 and all the Canada traffic will go to 10.20.30.40 IP address. So these kinds, it will work as a geolocation routing. How many record managed by Route 53? Amazon Route 53 currently support the following DNS record types. A record, IPv4 address record created in A records, which known as a host record also. 4 time A, IPv6 address record is created in 4 time A. C name, canonical name record, in which you create a alias canonical name. CAA, certification authority authorization. MX, mail exchange record. NAPTR, name authority pointer record. NS, name server record. PTR, pointer record. SOA, start of authority record. SPF, send policy framework. SRV, service locator. TXT, text record. So these records can be created in Route 53 and these managed by the Route 53 service. How can we create a record in Route 53? So first of all, we will have to go in the console. After the login on the console, we will go in the services and then click on the Route 53, which is come in the networking and content delivery part. After that, click on the hosted zone and click on the create record and then put the name of the host record like www and type values such as a 14.15.12.10 and select routing policy and click the create. You will have to go hosted zone. You will have to click on the create record set. You will get there this kinds of dialogues in the side of the domain record. You can create record name. You can put www dot whatever you want to create a record name and select the type A IPv4 address. Select type AAA 4 time A, which is used for IPv6 address. If you have to create alias means canonical, so you can check on yes, or if you are not want to create alias, so you can check mark on no. You have to put TTL second, whatever you want to put here, and you will have to type here IP address. It may be in the IPv4 or IPv6. You can select here routing policy, simple geographic location and latency based routing, and then you will have to click on create. After that, your record will be created in this box and you can check that your code has been created in Route 53 and managed by the Route 53. So these kinds of things can be done in the root 53 and you can create multiple record in the root 53 as a privately and publicly. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and comment on this video. Your comment motivate us and share this video with your friend to get help this video. Thanks for watching.